A stick massage, also known as stick rolling or stick therapy, is a type of massage technique that involves using specially designed sticks to apply pressure and manipulate muscles and soft tissues. These sticks can vary in size, shape, and material, but they typically have smooth surfaces and may be made of wood, plastic, or other materials. During a stick massage session, the therapist uses the sticks to roll, knead, and apply pressure to targeted areas of the body, similar to techniques used in traditional massage therapy. The sticks allow for more precise and controlled pressure compared to using hands alone, and they can also help to reach deeper layers of muscle tissue. Stick massage is often used to relieve muscle tension, reduce pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and stay informed.